batho ba Mzansi dumelang. Good people, kajeno go tlo the cubic functions, but on the cubic functions we're going to do sketching of cubic functions. So the general formula that the cubic function will be y is equals to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d by 1 and 2. So cubic functions are gonna arm 3. So what we should know, Corey, if our a this one, if a it happens that it is greater than 0, highly greater than 0, it is positive. It will color the increasing arm. Increasing arm, color sense by 1 and 2. But if it happens that our a, this one, is less than 0, it will color the decreasing arm. It will color say pele, and then it below 10 more. 1 and 2. Good. Here on our arms, turning point is 2. Now with our turning point, this is going to be turning point A, this is going to be turning point what? B. Are we together? So this one, if in Eudim, rebita the local what? Local maxima. What? Local maxima, which is what? Which is the maxima. This one B here, in local what? Minima. Are we together, good people? But for this one, this A here, it will be in our local what? Local minima. And this one here, minima. And this one here, B. This one is going to be what? Our local what? Our local maxima. This one is going to be our local maxima, just like that. How to number 2? That's good. Now, here at the turning point, what is it that we must also know about our local minima and our local maxima? Is that here at the turning point, our gradient is 0. Gradient is 0. Ska sheba ntwe ntse etsa gradient ya teng tse nyolwa ntse theowa ya nyolwa ke yona. It's an increasing function. Ka setting this is an increasing arm, this one. So ya nyolwa ya etsa man gradient etsang ya theowa ntse e ba jwa ntse e ba gradual ka matsomo ntwe ke buang ka yona ho tsela ntwe so. So ka matsomo mona gradient ya mona jwang e kgolo feta ya mona e kgolo feta mo ntse etsang ba bona ntse theowa ke until e fitla kae mano turning point man gradient ya rona mo ke kae f prime of x ile kana kae di 0 ba bona ntwe. So every time at the turning point at A and B, at the turning points, our gradient it will be 0. That's good. Now, how to let here? Kids a find the points tse re di hlokang ho sketch what any graph, bo parabola, bo straight line. Number 1, ke point e feng e re hlokang ya pele. For example, re batla ho thola eng the y-intercept. We need to get what? The y-intercept. That one you know. What is the second thing that we need to get? We need to get the x-intercept. X-intercept. What is the other one that we need to get? The turning point. The what? The turning point. But after here getting our turning point, we'll have to get what? We'll have to get the point of inflection, which is one of the stationary points. Now, maybe sketch in. Now, sketch the graph given by what? By y is equals to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x plus 4, just like that. So for our solution, re tseba eng ha re shebe e ya rona A ya rona e jwang? Our A is greater than 0. So what do we expect? We expect our graph e tsamaye jwang? E tsamaye so. E qala e nyoloha, akere e qale ka the increasing arm. Now, y-intercept. How do we get the y-intercept? Step 1. How do we get the y-intercept? For y-intercept, what do we let? You always let x to be equal to x equals to 0. Again. And then after here, we're going to substitute what? Where we see x, we substitute what? 0. Again. It will be cube minus 4, 0 squared minus 2, 0 plasma plus 4. So y to calculate the 4. So our y-intercept pointer on a our y-intercept pointer thing ki 0 is to 0 is to 4. Y-intercept. Again. Now, retleka the x-intercept. With the x-intercept. With the x-intercept, what do? You let what? You let y to be equal to be 0. So if you let y to be equal to 0, 0 is equals to 0 is equals to 2x 2x cube minus what? 4x squared minus 2x plus 4. Alright? So what time are we factorizing to it? So how do we factorize this thing? It's saying the synthetic method. Now with the synthetic method, I said we're going to have our box like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, mo re tlo etsang ke kae mo ke 2. Re ngola di coefficient tseo. Mona ba kae? Negative 4, mona ba kae? Negative 2, mona ba kae? Mona ba 4. Again. Now we need to get what? A value here. Again, we need to get a value here. We calculate calculator. So mo to substitute in re etsa trial and error, kala ka trial and error. O kenya bo negative 1. O bona negative 1 ha eno fa 0. Re kenye kae? 0. Re kenye kae? 2. Re bone e tlo re fa 0. Mara ya pele e tlo re fa 0. Ke yona re tlo kenya kae? E re tlo kenya ngwana mo. Again. Sharp. Ka di calculator mo. Ready? Hare she. Re kala kae? O mong na iketsa kae? Ke tla negative 1. O mong a etse 0, o mong a etse 2, ne? O mong a ba etsa positive 1. Na iketsa negative 1. O sentse negative 1. You flip kae? Negative 1 sentse o file 0. Good. Ka mantswe a mang, wa bona re thotse okay, x equals to negative 1. It's what? It's a fact. It's a fact. Wa bona? Re kenya mo negative 1. So with synthetic method, re etsa jwang? E qalang ya pele o bulela yona kae? Fatshe. Ke kae eo? Ke 2. Ke 2 re ngola mo. Wa bona? O bore negative 1 multiplied by positive 2. Answer ke kae? Negative 2. We ngola mo. Wa bona? Ga qala jwanong re di etsa tje. Minus 4 minus 2 ke bokae? Negative 6 down. Wa bona? Ga qala hape re reng negative 1 multiplied by negative 6. Answer ke kae? Ke positive mang? Positive 6. Rare negative 2 positive 6. Answer ke kae? Ke 4 e positive again. Very negative 1 times positive 4. Answer be kae? We have negative 4. Wa bona? We have 4 minus 4. Answer ke kae? Ke 0. Wa bona ntho. So mona tlameha o dula o thola kae? Tlameha o thola 0. Wa bona ntho. If you no substitute negative 1 ya almost ka o yentse e be o fa 0. Mara and then it happens hore ha o ntso sebetsa mo bo sa thole 0 tlamehile o qale fatshe o shebe go phoso o entse kae cause mona tlamehile o kwale ka kae o kwale ka 0 ga utlwana sharp so ntho ya rona ha e se le tje e bolela eng it means re na le 0 ntho na tlamehile re etse eng re etse a factor because if it's like this it's what it's a factor so if it's a factor ha re transpose 1 re tlisa go tlo ba kae x plus 1 because ha le tjena ke kae ke x equals to -1 so 0 ya rona e lekana le kae le x plus 1 ke yona eo akere so ka mona bit bana le kae 2x squared ne minus 6x plus mang plus 4 here right and then be re tlo etsang ha le tje o tseba eng wa tsa gore o nka ntho equated to 0 o nka yana equated to 0 akere so ke tlo bana le x plus 1 e lekanang le kae le 0 be bana le or 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 e lekanang le kae e lekanang le 0 akere and then be re divide throughout ka kae mo e tlo ba x equals to -1 e se re ithutse akere mona ke divide throughout ka kae ka 2 ena e tlo ba eng e x squared minus 3x go botsela mo plus mang plus 2 is equals to 0 right so be re etsang we open two brackets a dira factorize no ke reng x ke reng mo x di factors tsa 2 tse ha ke di kopanya kapa ke di minus di mfa kae di mfa 3 ke tse fe ke 2 le 1 2 multiply by 1 ke 2 2 plus 1 ke 3 so ngwana tlo minus kae minus 2 minus 1 because negative multiply by negative is positive here 2 times 1 ke 2 be re ba negative 2x le negative x ntse tlo fa kae negative 3x so mo ra bona gore x e tlo kana le kae le 2 or x e tlo kana le kae le 1 right so our x-intercept is le kae x-intercept tsa gago x-intercept re tseba gore re tlo bana le -1 e tsamayang le kae le 0 ga bana le bedi e le kana ba kae e bang 1 e tsamayang le kae le 0 no ke ba di tsamaya ka line ke re ta from -1 be re 1 be re 2 so be re bana le kae 2 e tsamayang le kae le 0 so tse ke dintse ke di x-intercept tsa rona so ke thotse y-intercept ke thola x-intercept yes what was the question bukang quadratic formula ya kana se se quadratic formula thola ntho tse sharp ramonate good okay because I'm running out of space I'm going to use this space ne mara ntse re tswera here re batla y-intercept x-intercept turning points le point of inflection so are ke qetile ka x-intercept no ke tla kae point before ke eng ke di turning what turning point turning points what do we know what do we know about the turning point gradient at teng ke is 0 I am mara on our function this function once we differentiate that function what do we get the equation gradient at any point on that graph but rona point a rona interest e tla the turning point what do we know about the turning point the gradient is 0 so we're going to find what to call dy dx to kae mo 3 to thewa here e ba 6x 2 aye because re tlo 3 minus 1 using power rule here e ba kae 2 a tla fatshe tlo kae 8x e ba 2 minus 1 e tlo ba 8x fela here man e tlo ba eng minus 2 so this is the formula that we use to get any point on the graph if they want us to find the gradient at x equals to 1 re tlo kenya kae mo 1 and then ra lo thola gradient mo my one but rona re batla in no we want di-point tsa turning point mara re tsebang ka turning point or gradient ke bokae ke 0 so side le ya gradient re bokae ntona ke 0 ra re 6x squared minus 8x minus 2 by 1 and then we divide throughout ka bokae ka 2 because 2 is common. Can you see that? Then mona e tlo ba eng mo e tlo ba 3x squared minus 4x minus 1 kae ho 2 no re differentiate ile wa pola ha re theola 1 mo e tlo ba 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 we have kae 0 x to the power 0 we have kae 1 is 2 times 1 sharp ra bona ngakere so ha re fitla mona kana re etsa ha re bule bracket tse kae tse pedi a yere sentse bona mo re tlo bana le 3x le x ya ba 1 le kae le 1 a yere ga reng negative ena tlamehile be jwang e ka mona ke kae ke 0 ha ile 3x le kae mo 3x le x e tlo fa 3x square a yere factors tsa 1 ke 1 le 1 so if re etsa e ho tlo tsala mo re tlo thola negative ma mo negative x a yere so mo ha ba negative x ena e tlo re fa eng e negative ma negative 3x negative x negative 3x di re fa kae negative 4x so I bona ntho ma jwale bothata re bothola kae bothata ba bona bo ba kae ha re kgutlela kae ha kgutlela morao because negative 1 multiply by negative 1 ntho ne ba jwang e ba positive ma ya rona e jwang e negative ba bona so what we can do is ha re sebedise the quadratic formula. So now with our quadratic formula we tlo re x is equals to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over ma all over 2a right one so x to gonna kae negative b ya rona e kae mo negative 4 plus minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 into kae 3 minus kae negative 1 yes all over 2 multiplied by 3 so x is going to equals to or x is going to equals to keep kae no fait il est decimal give me decimal places 1,55 ne ya bedi be ba kae negative 0,21 ha re etse ke 1,55 re ngole ka mona ene be ba negative ma negative 0,22 ra bona ntho so re batla emo this is the x value of the first turning point ba bona mara hopola hore e ya rona jwang e positive meaning this point ena x ya teng ke feng ke e because o tlo qala yona ra kwa wa bona the second point in x ya teng ke feng ke na I said re itse ha a e le jwang e le greater than 0 graph ya rona e tlo tsamaya jwang increasing arm again e ba increasing arm so here ke batlile eng ke batla di x values tsa di turning point a1 e negative e nngwe jwang e positive so enyane value enyane sentse tsamaya le feng sentse tsamaya turning point ya pele value e latelang e kgolo e tsamaya turning point e feng ya bobedi ba utlwisisa the same as hoja ke na le 2 mo ka bana le 3 man 2 ne tsamaya le feng 2 ne tla mo 3 ne tla mo ba bona ntho ke yona the x value the first x value eta enyane ke yona e tlo bang kae e tlo tlang turning point mo e tlo ba yona our local maxima e kgolo e lo ba our local minimum ba bona so if our graph if it happened that a was less than 0 graph ya rona ne tlo tsamaya jwang Ine tlo qala eng? Increasing, decreasing. Ine tlo ya kwa ebe ya kwa ebe kgutlela kwa again. And then it happened hore the what you call the x value tsa tsa turning point di so e nyane e tsamaya le feng, e tsamaya le eng ke yone e qala e ka left, e kgolo e tsamaya le feng le yane ka nqala. Turning point di tuna le e qalang le feng le qetela. So value e nyane e tlo dula e tsamaya le feng e nyane, x value ya turning point e nyane e tlo dula e tsamaya le turning point e qalang. X value ya turning point ya bedi tlo tsamaya le feng le so but in our case our a is what is greater than 0, so it will be mona, it will be negative mang, negative 0,22. So now what must happen? We must find the corresponding y values because in tona nele a receptive mo gradient has in y value. So we must find y at x, we must find y at x equals to this. So it will be y is equals to working into the fraction tsa hao. It will be 2 into negative 0,22 ayer bukai cube over minus 4 negative 0,22 squared minus 2 into negative 0,22 plus 4. Tu peux pas voir qu'il y a un joueur internal fraction tu ça hier. Mais battre the corresponding y value. If y value est à the 1,55. If we y is equals to 2 into 1,55 with cube minus 4 into 1,55 squared man minus 2 into negative 0,22 plus 4. Yes. Sure. It doesn't make. Maybe answer how. Maybe we're not talking about positive sign anymore. Positive sign ni kamu keep kai. You for 1,55 a year. How so Kenya negative sign? Kamu ne wap kai. You are negative 0,22. Negative 0,22. Kyo na itampelo 1,55. It's a smaller x value. It's a smaller one. Hence, the smaller x value. It's a turning point. Itampelo. Okay. Mo. So tell me if you 1,55. Thank you. Sharp. Tanko. So mona na ki negative. Ki negative manye. Negative 1,26 a year. And then inayona tamle baba maqelle ka baba matala ka Seba yentse ka tlase re batla eng okay 4, move give 4,22 ayer. So kama tsama di turning point tsa rona di tsamaya jwang ke negativement 0,22 e tsamayang le kae 4,22 ayer. Ya bobedi be ba eng 1,55 e tsamayang le eng negative 1,26. Ga bona a re leboe re tse ka eng ka point e feng ya b4 which is what, which is the point of inflection. So ke tlo etsa ka ntle. Okay, good people, ha re tse jwang ha re tswelleng pele. So re tse point number 4. Re tle ka point number 4. Point number 4 ke yona the point of inflection. point of inflection. Ne? Now, with the point of inflection, it is the one that we're going to use to determine whether our graph is concave up or concave down. How to get whether our graph is concave up or concave down. So our point of inflection is f prime prime of x. Here f prime prime of x. Comment quand le point of inflection, vous direz va i2. Ah bon? So comment man nécessaire derive hier. Cause man f prime x tout c'est le cas 6x squared minus 8x minus 2. So I said about f prime prime x equal by e2. 2 multiplied by 6 we have 12 man 12x. Muna kana 1 here. Equal minus 8 we have 1 minus 1 we have 0. We have so this will be what our equation. Again, the point of inflection. But because the point of inflection, Leon, it's a stationary point. It's only the turning points. Leon, na is 0. Right? So remove 0 is equals to 12x minus 8. Again, qui transpose 8 qui glisse à 8 qui est 12x. Again, 8 qui est 12x, ça reflète mon temps. Divide by what? By 12. Here, this cancels this. X is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is going to keep x is 0.67. Here, this is what the x value. Yeah, the point of inflection. So we must find the corresponding y value. Later, man, 0.67 in. So here, it over f at 0.67 here, which is going to be 2. Yeah. The corresponding y value. The graph here, key equation is the point of inflection here. Key equation is gradient. Yan y. So time the equation is y given here 2 into 0.67 cube minus 4 into 0.67 squared minus 2 into 0.67 even plus 4. But the formula is y. How about a y? We have formula y. How about a gradient? We have formula y. Gradient. So no one receives a n. We told the x value. Once we found the x value, we told the y value. Y value is a formula y. X is a substitute. Sharp. Open to you play 0.6666. But I am at it. 1.48. 1.48. Okay. 1.47. Okay. But we two are 1.47. 1.48, 1.47. It's fine. Just like that. So our point of inflection is 0.67. It's a man lip guy. It's a man lip guy. It's a man 1.47. Here now our point of inflection. How can I? Good. Now, receive this as what to call our point of inflection. Receive this as once f prime prime of x is greater than 0, this will be concave what? Concave up. If f prime prime of x is less than 0, it will not about concave mount, concave down. So, retour chez Bagan the value. C'est next to what? Point of inflection. That value est right thing to the point of inflection, or that value est the left of the point of inflection. So, on va check graph on a dit point que on fait la tirée de choca. Are di share. So to wana le kae mo 1 2 3. Mona to wana le 1 2 3 4 5. Are 1 2 3 4 5. Mona wana le 1 2 3 4 4. 1 2 3 4. C'est comme on a dit value du négatif. Hier. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 1, negative 5. Graph eno e sketcha guys, ena di marks tse ngata ne? Tse ngata. So tlamehile re etse ntho. We understand the most sa utlwisisang teng le le botse. So ke ntho ya rona. Ha qale ka ya pele, y-intercept. Y-intercept ya rona re thotse e le bokae? Re thotse e le 0:4. Ska re bona ma here. So 0:4. 0:4 ke 0 mona here. 0:4 ke ke feng? Ke namo. Re tle ka di x-intercept. Our x-intercept ke bokae? Negative 1, 1:0, le 2:0. Again. Ki yo he y-intercept ya rona ke bokae? Ke 0:4 again. Ha kgutlele he graphong ya rona. Re kgutlele kae? E ba bokae? Negative mang? Negative 1:0 ke eng? Ya bobedi ya ba bokae? 1:0. Ya ba 1:0. And then nabi 3 ya ba bokae? 2:0. 2:0 ke eng? Ha bona? Ra tla kae jwanong? Ho di turning points. Again. Turning point ya rona re thotse le bokae? Il est négative mang? Il est négative 0,22 is to 4,22. Thank you. Négative 0,22 e tla be tsamaya e tla be sa moemong. E tsamaya eng? E tsamaya eng? 4,22. 4,22 e ka hodimo kae? Ho 4. Ke ya. Ke ena mo. Again. Mara ke turning point ya rona e feng eo? Ke turning point e feng ya rona e feng? Ya pele. Again. Ya pele sentse o etsang? Sentse o shebisa kwa. Because ne se re tseba hore graph ya rona e ya rona greater than 0 e tsamaya jwang? E tsamaya so. So turning point ya rona ya pele sentse hore. Wa bona? Ha re he turning point ya rona ya bobedi ke bokae? 1,55 e sa moemong. E tsamaya le bokae? 1,55. Negative 1,26, negative 1,26 ke ena mo. Sentse re etsang? Re because ra tsaya ke turning point ya rona e feng? Ya bobedi. Tlamehile re e kwa. Bereta ka eng? The point of inflection. Point of inflection ya rona ke bokae? Ke 0,67. Le bokae 0,67 e sa moemong mo ke 0,67 e ka hodimo half. E tsamaya le bokae? 1,47. 1,5 mo. 1,47 plus 1,5. By one. So this will be our point of inflection. This one there, which is good. So how so it's a graph how here? Also it's also we sketch. Eta botsa majwang. Re tse kala kae? Increase here. O ya kae o feta x a pele ke. O ya kae? Ho turning point. How to turning point? Turning point you 4,22 and mona re na le mo y-intercept. Sentse o feta o yona ke. Wa bona? Re lo feta kae? Ho point of inflection. This is where our graph changes its concavity. Ne? Ya change. So and then bira kae? Ho x minus 1 bireta mo. Mona o tsala it's a turning point. And then where kae? Where go? Ki graph ya hao. Ki graph ya hao. That will be given by y equals to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x plus 4. Graph ya hao e tla be jwang? E tla be le so. Ah bon. So ning ba tlo re botsa for which values of x? For which values of x? X values where our graph is concave up. Which values of x where our graph is concave what? Concave down. Concave down. Ne? So you're gonna use what? You can always use your paper. Mara o sebisa eng? The point of inflection. Ki tseka point of inflection ke ke mo kgona bona concave up and concave down again. So ma ba batla di x values mo leng jwang concave concave up ke shebile kae ke shebile hodimo, concave down ke shebile kae ke shebile fatshe. Where is our graph changing its concavity? At the point of inflection. So you are going to focus on the point of inflection. On ka pampiri ya gago e beya mo o the point of inflection. O bona graph ya o shebile kae ka mo e shebile hodimo. So meaning the x values that starts from this point of inflection ho ya kwa graph ya rona e tla be shebile kae hodimo. So for concave up we say x must be greater. E be greater than mang? 0.67 down ko. Wa bona? E be greater than 0.67 because wa bona graph ya rona e shebile kae ka mo? E shebile hodimo. Wa bona? For concave down mo e shebileng kae e shebile fatshe. O tla kae ho the point of inflection hape o beya pampiri ya mo hore fela ko kae mo e leng concave down ke mo e shebileng fatshe teng ska ke tshwa kere. So re batla di x value mo graph ya rona leng concave down. Ha re tloha point of inflection re ya kae re ya kwa wa bona. So ka matsama our graph it will concave down where x is less than mang 0.67. E jwalo fela. Yes, so that is how you sketch the point of inflection. So re nkile fe one lona le sketch le kgone ho practice sa kgone ho utlwisisa ke. Any questions? Yes. Okay.